Now see the next problem, minimax regret criterion. Now here there are two types of minimax regret criterion, maximization problem and the minimization problem. Now first of all we will solve the given matrix with the help of the minimax criterion for the maximization problem. Here the first simple step is create the regret table. Now for creating the regret table, first of all find out the maximum value in the payoff and minus that maximum value of payoff by the payoff. First step of the minimax regret criterion is create the regret table. Now for the maximization problem, regret table is equal to max payoff minus payoff, and the second step is find out the minimax value in the regret table. Now first of all we will create the regret table for the maximization problem. This is the given payoff matrix. Now according to our formula, first of all find out the maximum payoff in the column. Now n1 is first column, n2 is second column, n3 is third column, and n4 is the fourth column. Means we want to find out the maximum payoff in the column, means in the event or in the state of nature. Therefore in the first column maximum payoff is 1000. In the second column maximum payoff is 2000. In the third column maximum payoff is 3750, and in the fourth column maximum payoff is 4750. Here according to the formula we will subtract remaining element of this A1 column from this maximum payoff, means 1000 minus 1000, 1000 minus 250, 1000 minus 500, 1000 minus 1250. Now according to this our new payoff matrix will be 0, 1000 minus 1000 is equal to 0, 1000 minus 250 is equal to 750, 1000 minus 500 is equal to 1500, 1000 minus 1250 is equal to 2250. Therefore this is our first column of the regret table. Now the second column n2. In the second column maximum payoff is 2000, therefore 2000 minus 1500 is equal to 500. 2000 minus 2000 is equal to 0, 2000 minus 1250 is equal to 750, 2000 minus 500 is equal to 1500. Now n3, the third column of regret table, 3750 minus 750 is equal to 3000. 3750 minus 3750 is equal to 0. 3750 minus 3000 is equal to 750. 3750 minus 2250 is equal to 1500. Now the fourth column of the regret table, the maximum value is 4750. 4750 minus 0 is equal to 4750. 4750 minus 3000 is equal to 1750. 4750 minus 4750 is equal to 0. 4750 minus 4000 is equal to 750. So this is our regret table. Now in the regret table, second step is find out the minimax value. Now again we will break this word mean and max. First of all find out the maximum value in the alternative, maximum payoff value in the alternative, and then find out the mean of that maximum value. Therefore first of all find out the maximum value. In the first alternative maximum value is 4750. In the second alternative maximum value is 1750. In the third alternative maximum value is 1500, and in the fourth alternative, this is S4, the maximum value in the fourth alternative is 2250. Now here we have find out the maximum value of each alternative. Now we want to find out the minimum value of that max. The minimum value of that max is this. The minimum value of that max is this 1500. Therefore here we can say that strategy S3 is selected according to the min max regret criterion. Now look at the next problem, minimax regret criterion for the minimization problem. Now here in the first step we want to find out the regret table, and in the second step we want to find out the minimax value. For the regret table, this is a cost matrix, therefore we will regret table is equal to cost minus minimum cost. Again here for the creation of the regret table we will work on the event column n1, n2, n3 and n4. For the creating the regret table, first of all we will find out the minimum cost in each column, means minimum cost in each event. Now in n1, in the first column the minimum cost is the minus 1250. In the second column minimum cost is the 500. In the third column, minimum cost is the 750, and in the fourth column, minimum cost is the 0. After this, now we will create the regret table. The regret table is equal to cost minus minimum cost. In the first column, minimum cost is minus 1250. Therefore, we will subtract this minimum cost from the remaining element of the event. The first element is 1000 minus 1250 is equal to 2250. 250 minus 1250 is equal to 1500. Minus 500 minus 1250 is equal to 750, and minus 1250 minus 1250 is equal to 0. Now look at the second column, N2 event. The cost is 1500 minus 500 is equal to 1000. 2000 minus 500 is equal to 1500. 1250 minus 500 is equal to 750. 500 minus 500 is equal to 0. Now N3, the third column, third event. 750 minus 750 is equal to 0. 3750 minus 750 is equal to 3000. 3000 minus 750 is equal to 2250. 2250 minus 750 is equal to 1500. Now fourth event, N4, 0, 3000, 4, 750 and 4000. The minimum number is 0. Therefore 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 3000 minus 0 is equal to 3000. 4750 minus 0 is equal to 4750. 4000 minus 0 is equal to 4000. Therefore here we have created the regret table. Next step is find out the minimax value of this table. Now we will break the words mean and max. First of all, find out the max of each alternative and then find out the mean of that max. Therefore, max value of each alternative, in the first alternative S1, maximum value is 2250. In the second alternative, maximum value is 3000. In the third alternative, maximum value is 4750. And in the fourth alternative, maximum value is 4000. Now, according to this minimax, we have find out the max. Then we will find out the mean of that max. Now, the minimum value in the maximum number is, now the minimum value of this, all the max value is 2250. Therefore, here we can say that strategy 1 is selected according to the minimax criterion for the minimization problem for the cost matrix.